Hello friends, we welcome you all. Let's make some of the DIY paper bags. For this you just need this sheet of the paper, then you just have to fold it and you just have to make some of the turns. Difficulty level for this one is somewhat medium. You can just pause the video so that you can clearly focus on where to fold and where not. You may require some of the pattern sheets. It all depends what type of the shopping bag you need. We can create these from the same steps, just we are changing the pattern sheets. I'm here using the multicolored one at the previous one, and this one is the kitty one. Sofas are made by the carpenters with the help of the wood. Today we are going to make the beautiful furniture sofa set with the help of the paper. All you just need is the paper. You can just pause the video and give it a try. It will look so nice and pretty at the end. You can make use of the glue for sticking the rest of the features. Our last activity is very nice and so pretty. We are going to make the paper origami dry fruit bowl. For this you need this double shaded pattern sheet of the paper. From the one side it has other print and from the next side it has the other print. This one is so cool and easy. Just give it a try. Thank you for watching our videos.